Good morning. Good morning, Corrado.
Good morning.
Good morning, Rianna. Good morning, Saskia.
Morning.
You guys are so cheery. I want to show you something really neat. So here's our Indiegogo campaign. Let me hit the F5 to refresh. Ba-boom. Focus. Guys, there it is. Look at that. Wow! That is not a small number. And to think, like, we just launched this thing 2 weeks ago. It is currently 1 p.m., which is morning for us, and we have raised $164,000. And today is the last day, which is crazy. It's crazy, Tim.
It's cray-cray.
No, just cray.
Just cray.
I'll just say it's bananas. But
It is bananas.
B-A-N-A-N-A-S.
right, Dawson?
Dawson, what do you think about all of this? Okay, cool.
He's like, you know, as long as I get to lay down this blanket over here, I'm cool with that.
Oh, go lay on that blanket. Oh, that's cute. Dawson, are you excited? Are you excited, buddy?
He's like, no, that means you guys are gonna leave.
Dawson, we would never leave you.
But we're going to.
But we're gonna leave you.
Did you just give my dog pink eye?
No! Hey! No! Dawson, no! I take it back! Oh, I hand the camera to the guy with the one hand. Thanks, Rianna. I'm just not thinking.
We keep doing that.
I still have a little bit of the pink eye. I actually feel really crappy. It was actually really hard getting out of bed this morning.
You
But
look pretty rough too.
I just showered. I should look
You
great.
have like the puffy eyes,
Yeah.
like the sunken bags.
I think I'm actually...
Wait, have you been holding this camera and now I'm holding this camera?
Yes.
I touched you too! I touched you too! Oh my goodness!
So give me the camera. You should both go wash your hands. Right now. Okay, go wash your hands. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah, we need to be careful with the vlog camera right now. So either everybody needs to vlog but me, or I need to do all of the vlogging.
Congratulations.
Seeing as how you've already been touching it, I think that means you were doing all of
We can disinfect.
Okay.
We need disinfectant wipes. Let's refresh and see if there's any changes. And F5. We broke. Hey! Alright! We are moving. This is great. I am very, very excited for life.
Climbing the mountain.
We are climbing this
step
mountain
at a
together.
time.
We are all in this together. It's very, very exciting. And now, you all have pink eye. So that's for you.
Vlog, guess what? Guess what number we just got to? We are at 170,105 with 11 hours remaining. We are right on track. Rianna, this is going so well.
I don't know what that means.
What do you mean? We have $170,000 raised. We have 11 hours left in our Indiegogo campaign.
Wangs.
Sam!
Wangs.
Yeah, wangs are not important right now. Have you seen the new number? Yay! Guys, you guys are amazing. That's all that needs to be said.
Also, I think you should bring the camera over here.
Oh,
There's
okay.
something very cute going on.
Okay.
Dawson has been sitting there for like, I don't know how long, but
Dawson!
he's just getting ready to play his drums.
What are you doing?
You just...
You look so silly.
He's not even comfy there. It's just...
I know,
like,
he's just awkwardly sitting in a corner.
Come here, puppy. It's his dad.
Dawson! His daddy's in a meeting upstairs. I think he's lonely. Baby! Come hang out with us. Come play with us. We've got all the girls in this room over here.
Come here.
Dawson, you have so much more fun with us. Come hang out.
Dawson.
Dawson! Oh, you silly dog. I think he likes this corner.
Wings.
Yeah, right. That's just mean.
Tim!
Oh!
Oh!
9 hours, Corrado!
9 hours and $174,000.
That's pretty good!
That's amazing.
But it's like, is it gonna slow down? Is it gonna speed up? Are we gonna hit the goal? Are we gonna come under? Are we gonna go over? Imagine we went over. It would mean the documentary would be like smooth sailing.
Yeah.
Because right now it's like, this is what we need, no surprises. You know what I mean? Like, this is what we need to get this done, no surprises.
We have there's a little bit of surprise budget.
So
in it.
this teensy weensy bit of surprise. So it's looking good.
Yeah.
9 hours left.
And it is, looking at the clock in the back, it is 5:35.
5:35.
So yeah, I think we can do it.
I think we can do it. We're just gonna be biting our nails for the next 9 hours.
So it is 5:50, actually 5:49 to be a little more specific. And if we hit this wonderful refresh button,
Boom.
oh, focus,
Bum, 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 bum.
175.
It's all coming together.
That's it.
It's happening.
Together.
It's happening.
It's the home
It's
stretch.
happening.
Right now.
me.
There you go.
Whoa! Somebody just donated a huge amount of money, and now we're at with 8 hours left. Yay!
Oh my goodness.
Everybody come.
We're going ham.
Going ham. I want to get close to you.
Well, you don't need to touch me. Just get, we're bonding.
All I want to do is be close.
We're bonding. Don't you want to be close to
Deegan in his
mostly naked
underwear.
Tim Deegan?
Yeah, mostly naked Tim Deegan.
We are at $179,659 with 8 hours to go. Let's hit refresh.
We just keep
Only
refreshing.
Still $1,799.59 dollars.
Cents.
To watch it move like 300.
We're still at $179,659.
We're gonna be stuck at this
We're
for the next
almost
8
there.
hours.
Only 8 more hours.
8 more hours to go. But so people were like, "What happens if you don't make the money in time?" Well, we made the money in time. We would have made it anyway.
Hopefully.
But
Well, I don't know. That's a lot of money to get in 8 hours.
349.
When I used to work at the greenhouse, I couldn't make that much money in 8 hours.
No.
That's true.
But as long as the website doesn't go down,
Yeah.
we should be okay.
Yeah, we do have a bit of a reputation for crashing Canadian websites and Canadian servers and contests and voting. Well, you guys have that reputation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was your fault.
Idea Boost, and when at my school, Crosley was in that voting thing.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's see, hit refresh. What are we at?
Website.
What do you think you're doing?
$179,659. We're almost there.
We literally can't leave the room
Yeah.
or go anywhere else. We're watching, even though nothing's happening yet. It's gonna happen.
Yeah, I don't want to be, doing whatever in another room, and I hear everybody shouting
Freaking
from
out.
the other room, and then I miss out. That's no fun.
Tim even dressed for the occasion.
How can you guys wear clothes at a time like this?
We're so close! Oh, I think Shay Carl's going live. He said emergency live show.
Ah!
Oh, he's live.
We're $81 away.
Yeah, we are!
Yeah!
Corey Vidal's in the room. Woo! Woo!
In the room!
Stay with me, everybody.
Woo! Woo!
National flower.
Yeah.
Let me hit you from Canada. Stop. Okay. Let's see here. Let's refresh and let's see. Cassim's on the phone, you guys. We're here live. That is how epic of a moment this is. He is allowing this live show to go on. We are $81 away from hitting the I Am Vlogging Here documentary goal and making the best. Oh, should I refresh? Okay, I'm gonna refresh.
Let's refresh.
Okay, I'm about to go crazy.
Nope.
Ah.
$100 away. Corey. How long has it been, Corey? It's been 2 weeks? That was quick, man. 2 weeks? It's been about 2 weeks
been a
to raise
weird
the goal
2
now.
weeks.
I'm so excited to, not have to promote this every day.
That's way more than $80.
You guys did it!
There's a dog on camera.
There's a dog on camera! He's got a ball! Hey, balls!
Tim, I think you should be completely naked to celebrate.
And now the work begins. Now the filming and the traveling and the interviewing and the editing and the writing and I'm excited. I can't believe we did it. From the beginning where we had such a negative start of the campaign, I feel really good and I've really felt the support of 4,612 people that have trusted in us. All the money that we raise is going to go to all of the crew for Corey's team, for ApprenticeEh. But I've made the commitment that if I fly anywhere, to work on this documentary, I'm not going to use any of these funds.
Hey vlog, so today a bunch of Kentucky people came over because we're filming stuff tomorrow and they brought a whole bunch of props over and now Tim Deegan is getting very dangerous. What are you doing?
What do you got?
Oh no. Hang on. I want to be on this side.
What are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? No!
Oh! I missed!
You're gonna break something!
I missed. If this is what Switzerland kids get to play with growing up, this is so much cooler than a cap gun. Or a Nerf gun.
We have a whole bunch of boxes of stuff.
There we go, apple.
And we found this with a bunch of apples. Like, those apples were in the box. Someone needs to put it on their head.
Yeah, we're gonna perfect our aim first.
Hey, apple.
Oh, so close!
Right over it.
Alright, Saskia's turn. You gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just zoom in on the apple and focus. I just take a little bit extra time because of my hand. There we go. Now we'll know exactly if you hit it.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Oh, that was pretty close.
Beside it.
That was pretty close.
This thing is so cool. It's just a rope on a piece of metal, and there's a little groove here. So you stick it in the groove, you put this thing over it, you lay the arrow in here, and then all you have to do is pull the trigger.
So show what happens when you pull the trigger. It just pops that little thing up.
And it pushes the rope thing out of the groove.
It's amazing.
It's so cool.
It's the simple things.
It is.
Nicole came over.
Hi, Reddit.
Perfect timing to shoot those. Hang on,
it's
please
loading.
don't point that at me. Okay.
It's just
Let's
a
see if she
sticky
can get
cup.
it. Oh my goodness!
I didn't.
First try.
That's amazing!
That's not fair.
Don't make me angry. I have very good aim.
Okay.
Corey has sore muscles from doing push-ups.
Remember like 8 days ago? It hurts really bad. Joel hurt too. When Joel was here today, he was like, do your pecs hurt? And I was like, yes. And he only did 30. I did 58. Ow, ow.
I don't know if massaging helps that kind of muscle pain.
But it's
It
funny
feels
to
bad
watch.
but good.
Pretty sure it just makes it worse.
Oh.
It's like some kind of torture.
Oh! Why are you punching it?
I told you it hurts. You shouldn't do
Oh, I
that.
know it hurts. Oh, my arms feel useless. I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Ugh. Rianna,
What?
it is 2:30 and we require your attention. You too, Saskia. Get you in the matching nice hoodies, might I say.
Oh, I'm wearing the same hoodie too.
Yeah.
Woo! It's Canada inside. So it's 2:30 in the morning. There's 30 minutes left. And even though we earlier hit the goal of 180,000, people are still donating. Whoa. I don't know why, because they're
Because
nice
there's still
and
dates
great.
with Cass and G available.
Because there's still perks
obviously.
available. And voting ends at 3 a.m. our time, which is midnight Pacific. So very recently, we hit over $200,000. And then I've been refreshing it, waiting for, because the time is ticking. Right now we have 201. And I thought I would show you guys. Shay told us to go live on Blog TV. We've been live for about 30 minutes. It just became 3 a.m. Let's refresh the indie. There's 0 time left. Is that the locked? Is that how it looks when it's locked? I think that's the new locked look.
Right there.
Yeah, everything just changed color. We made $202,479.
Wow.
That's a lot of potatoes.
I love
That's a lot of potatoes. You could buy a lot of potatoes. That's it. So you guys, so we're on Blog TV with a couple hundred people. Hey everybody, thank you for watching. It's actually been like a really kind of overwhelming couple weeks.
Yeah.
And I'm a little bit sick, so that probably makes me even more emotional, and maybe a little bit more tired. And tired equals emotional. But this has been crazy. And you guys are crazy. And, you know, like Shay and I were talking about today, now we just need to go do you guys proud. We just need to go make the best documentary that we absolutely can. And we're going to keep you guys involved every step of the way. So starting next week, anybody who donated, I guess starting Monday, we'll probably do them every Monday.
Sure.
We'll start the newsletter, the weekly newsletters. And that email blast will go out to the 5,448 people who donated, and we're going to keep you guys totally caught up and up to date on what we're doing the entire time as we're doing it. It's really important that we are held accountable, that you can see what we're up to, that you can see how your hard-earned money is being spent, where our hard work is going into, how the pre-production, production, and post-production works. You guys are going to be a huge part of this thing, and we're excited to bring you really close every step of the way. It's not going to be like a movie production where there's lots of secrets, and you guys are we're like slipping out spoiler reports, and you guys are kind of waiting for photos or teasers or trailers. It's not like that at all. We're going to let you know exactly what's happening while we're doing it, and you can be a part of it, and it's going to be really exciting. Now it is February 1st. It is no longer January. We are in the second month of 2013.
My birthday soon.
And by the end of this month, we need to be in California filming. We got to get ready. Thank you guys very much. I'm going to go pass out. I'm going to go to bed. I'm pretty tired. Thank you guys for staying up if you guys stayed up with us. This was really cool. I'm just repeating myself now, but it was really exciting, and thank you for being with us in this moment.
Yay.
And this is the beginning of a big journey. This was the end of a small 16-day journey, but this is the beginning of like a year's worth of work. So thanks for being a part of it. Good night. Good night.
Daily vlogs, I want them in my subscription box. I wonder who might drop by, even though sometimes it's Canada outside. So don't go away, we're here every day. It's not ApprenticeEh, it's ApprenticeEh. Hey, 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 hey. Home is where the vlog is.